Zyrtec-D is used to relieve allergy symptoms such as watery eyes, runny or stuffy nose, itching eyes or nose, and sneezing. It contains two medications, cetirizine and pseudoephedrine. Cetirizine is an antihistamine that blocks a natural substance, histamine, that your body makes during an allergic reaction. Pseudoephedrine is a decongestant that narrows the blood vessels in the nose to decrease swelling and congestion. It is not recommended for use in children under 12 years old due to the large amount of pseudoephedrine in it. The best time to take Zyrtec-D is in the morning. The typical daily dosage is 1 tablet every 12 hours. When taking Zyrtec-D, it's important to follow the directions on the product package if you're using the over-the-counter product. If you have any questions, consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, take it as directed with or without food, usually twice daily, every 12 hours. Remember to swallow the tablets whole and do not crush or chew them, as doing so can release all of the drug at once, increasing the risk of side effects. The dosage of Zyrtec-D is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. It's important not to increase your dose or take this medication more often than directed. If your symptoms do not improve after 1 week, if they worsen, or if they occur with a fever, make sure to tell your doctor. Some common side effects of Zyrtec-D include drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, and nausea. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If you do experience serious side effects such as difficulty urinating, rapid heart rate, shaking, or mental/mood changes, it is important to contact your doctor right away. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction can occur, so seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It is important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it is best to follow your doctor's instructions. Before taking Zyrtec-D, make sure to inform your doctor if you have any allergies to cetirizine, pseudoephedrine, hydroxyzine, or levocetirizine, or if you have had serious side effects from similar medications in the past. It's important to also disclose your medical history, especially if you have conditions such as glaucoma, difficulty urinating, high blood pressure, heart or blood vessel disease, overactive thyroid, diabetes, kidney disease, or liver disease. This medication may cause dizziness or drowsiness, and using alcohol or marijuana can intensify these effects. It's important to avoid activities that require alertness until you know how this medication affects you, and to avoid alcoholic beverages. If you are using marijuana, it's best to talk to your doctor. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of Zyrtec-D, especially experiencing fast or irregular heartbeat, dizziness, problems urinating, trouble sleeping, or confusion. If you are pregnant, it's important to use this medication only when clearly needed. Be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor, and if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using Zyrtec-D. When taking Zyrtec-D, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. MAO inhibitors should be avoided while taking this medication, and be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking other products that cause drowsiness. Check the labels on all your medicines, and do not use this medication with any other antihistamines applied to the skin. Additionally, Zyrtec-D may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure your lab personnel and doctors are aware that you are taking this medication. If someone has taken too much Zyrtec-D and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe drowsiness, fast or irregular heartbeat, and mental or mood changes such as anxiety or restlessness, as well as seizures. Make sure to attend all your scheduled medical appointments and any lab tests your doctor recommends. This will help ensure that Zyrtec-D is working effectively for you. If you forget to take a dose of Zyrtec-D, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Zyrtec-D, it's important to keep it at room temperature away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom, as different brands of this medication may have different storage needs. Be sure to check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your brand, or ask your pharmacist for guidance. And always remember to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Zyrtec-D, it's crucial not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.